Hey guys, I'm Josh Gibbons, welcome back to a new video. So if you're new to the channel, I'm a 16-year-old brand identity designer on the road to life mastery. So this video is an update about my FBA journey, saying my samples have arrived. So I can't show you the front of the packages obviously because I'd give away my product. However, there are the DHL and TNT packages right there. They actually just came on the same day within a couple of hours of each other. So what happens now? I've actually been contacting one other supplier and I ordered another sample right today. So I've got two from two suppliers, and I've spoken and just ordered another sample from a third supplier. So I've got it down to 3 potential suppliers. They are all really great people and I'm not sure who I'm going to go with yet. So I'm going to wait until the third one comes, until I open these and check out the quality of the product, and then we'll go from there. I'll keep you guys updated. So, just to re-clarify where I am in the process, I've found my product, I have been negotiating, and I have got my samples. So what is next? So when I get that third sample, I will check out the quality and I will start thinking about which supplier to go to. And that will be based on who's got the best price overall, who's got the best quality product, who I can see me working best with. Maybe some are better than others to talk to and communicate to. So I've just got to start thinking who I'm going to go with in the end. So I'm going to wait until my third one comes and open them all together. And that's a great tip from Darren Lynch. I hope you're watching this video. Who said just be patient and wait for all the samples to come for you to compare at once. So I'm going to do that and wait for the third one, which should come hopefully next week. So the lead time was actually great for all the samples. Yeah, I hope you're enjoying this journey, guys. I'm super pumped to potentially launch this product within the next month and just share the whole process with you, honestly. So I hope you're enjoying it. I'm really grateful that you're following on with my journey so far, and I will see you in the next video.